right, here we are. I'm at Bickham Rudkin Park, and I'm trying to complete my modified reboot plan. And I came to this park because it's kind of windy and it's a beautiful day though. It's just got real cold. It was like in the 50s this morning, and kind of chilly. So this is the hottest part of the day. It's mid-afternoon, about 65 degrees. And I had to, for the first time, I got my long sleeve underneath my shirt because we're starting to get in some cooler weather, which is good for running. So I came here. I'm gonna run to the OCU campus, probably go a loop around and 2 miles out, 2 miles back for a 4-mile loop, and see if I can knock out 4 miles today. So that's the goal: knock out 4 miles, enjoy the run, nice cool breeze. Couldn't ask for anything better. So I better get to it. We'll see you guys after the run. All right, here we are, 4 miles complete here at Bickham Rudkin Park. And actually the majority of my run ended up being on the OCU campus. So start here at this park and then run to the OCU campus. Did a loop around there, 2 miles out, 2 miles back, and I feel pretty good, kind of like yesterday. My legs were strong, and I was able to run the 4 miles consecutively. So that's a good sign, not resting and things like that. And I think a lot of it has to do with the cold weather, right? Long sleeves today, cold weather, nice strong cool breeze. So a lot of it has to do with better weather, and you don't overheat and things like that, and can put in your mileage. So it feels pretty good. And then tomorrow's the big test. I'll be this modified reboot plan. I should be back up to 5 miles a day. So that's kind of the goal, and it seems to have worked. So I should be clocking in at 5 miles tomorrow. So feels pretty good. Good luck on your day, whatever's out there, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a good day.